Rob here. Just thought I'd give a thank you to Caravan RV Camping for a couple of the products I've purchased from them. Absolutely fantastic, and the service and the assistance, couldn't ask for better. Here's a Dometic rooftop air conditioner that we got from them. The old one died and this one works fantastically. It's up on the roof, it's ducted system, and it's the only place I could get one, and I've been using this at home as a bit of an office because the restrictions haven't been able to take the van away. And the other thing I actually purchased from them, which I was very happy with, is this non-isolated DC charger. I was having problems before with the car draining power from the battery on the van. Put this on, not a problem. I couldn't be happier. And their service and the knowledge of their sales staff is fantastic. I really would recommend them to anyone. Thanks.